Smart Up Your Life. Welcome back with me, Dewi, as a host for tonight. And we are going to have a simple and quality of chit-chatting about 1 hour. 1 hour. Uh, of course, with BPEC as a best club meeting in Makassar, and the oldest and the biggest English club meeting. And like as usual, I'm not alone. I'm with my loving friends here, and I think it seems that it's still not completely yet. So we are still waiting for another fellas for tonight to join with us. And for sure, I would like to invite you to guys, especially to the listener who wants to join us in our chit chatting about 1 hour. And let's join us in WhatsApp by 0811 46 1011. I repeat it again. Join in 0811 46 1011. And yeah, it's so nice day today. It's not so. It's about cloudy but still shiny. And like today, I'm wearing the bright color as my signature, and also how to say like my trademark, because I love wearing bright color. And I would like to introduce my friends here. They are actually my junior, and here I am as the youngest. I am the youngest actually, forever youngest. And my name is Dewi. I'm a full-time mother and a housewife. And to the left and the right, the handsome boy, because I'm the most still the most beautiful in this room. First, I would like to invite to Achang. First, you have to introduce yourself and what is your background, please.
Okay,
tell us. Okay, time's yours.
So hello smart listener, my name is Farlaksan Saputra, but actually you can call me Achang, and I'm a ex-president in BPEC Makassar. Okay, thank you.
Okay, nice. What about you?
Okay, smart listeners, my name is Ahmad Riyandi. You can call me Rian, and I graduated from Satria University. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, in what majoring?
English major.
English major. So
Yes.
everyone's here is a is about taking English major, yeah?
Yeah.
And we still have another items that is you have to introduce what is BPEC and what is the activity completely. What is the most wonderful things that the listener have to invite to get invited to join English club meeting, the best English club meeting in Makassar.
Yeah, sure. Okay, so actually in BPS itself is the oldest community in Makassar, and you can say Benteng Panynyua English Club, right? And every Sunday we conduct in the multimedia in front of Muhammad University of Makassar, and exactly I would like to invite you guys because it is free. You can invite your family, friend, boy or girlfriend. It's okay for you because we have several items in BPS itself, which one can improve your English skill, right? Number one is who am I? You can introduce yourself. And number two, we have ice breaking. We will play a game related with English, right? And the number three, we have the ND, debating and discussion. I do really believe it could be improve your speaking skill, your confidence, and so on and so forth. Cause we will discussion, and after that we will debate. And number four, we have building skill. We will learn about the grammar related with English, like pronunciation and so on and so forth. And then number five, we have entertainment, which one you can show in your ability, such as you wanna poetry and singing. Enjoy for your life, guys. And the last is announcement. It is also the important because you can gain a lot of information from this activity, because like scholarship and etc. Right? This way, let's join with us, guys, in every Sunday at 10 until 2 p.m. Okay, thank you, Kak.
Okay, it's such a how to say, like a busy activity in BPC, yeah?
Yeah.
And if I don't mistake, around 2 days ago, we have a very wonderful moment that was we just conducted, and it's called what?
Yeah.
Mobas, yeah?
Uh-huh.
Can you explain what is Mobas actually?
Okay, actually, Mobas is the simple thing. We will change in the committee, like we have a new president, right?
yeah.
It is the purpose from Mobas.
So how do you feel, Achang, as you already not anymore as a president? And how long have you joined BPEC, and how do you feel about being the member of BPEC as the committee too, and as the ex-president?
Okay, so actually,
Yeah.
I'm so grateful can join with BPC because yeah, as you all know that in my English is very not well, and if I join in this, I can improve because I have a good environment. We have a supporting system with each other, right? They can support me to improve in our English. Like even if like you have a mistake or you don't know, you start from zero. Yeah, it is the good place for you guys because supporting system already exists in this community, and I really feel that.
Okay, nice.
I think that's all.
Yeah. Don't leave BPEC.
Yeah, sure.
So what about you, Rian? How long have you joined BPC, and what is your main purpose? You joined BPC, and why don't you want to be a president also for now and in the past or in the future?
Okay, I joined in BPC since 4 years ago, if I'm not mistaken.
4 years ago.
Yeah, my purpose join in BPC. Yeah, I just want to like I want to improve my English, especially for speaking, and I really feel that improvement in BPC. So yeah, I think BPC is the best place to improve your speaking skill. And in BPC we also learn about the grammar itself in lovely Sunday meeting. Yeah, I
Okay.
think then that's all.
So because I know that, and I saw you, we joined Mobas 2 days ago.
Yes.
How did you feel about the vibes in Mobas during Mobas? But actually, I wondered also the question: why didn't you join OPREC, the second OPREC, for the last time?
Yeah, about the Mobas itself, yeah, it's really wonderful because
Because I was there, yeah.
yeah, that's the main point.
Yeah, the main point.
Yeah, because you are the really
Shiny,
Yeah,
bright like a
yes.
diamond. Yeah. I bring so many, how to say, like blooming every
Yeah,
person, every single
yeah.
person. I spread the happiness for everyone. Yeah.
Yes.
That's why everyone wants to join Mobas, no
Yeah.
matter what. Sometimes they feel bad for the Mobas itself. Yeah.
yes.
Okay, nice, Rian. Now we are going to our main topic, about the country's future as Generation Z, but first, because I have to be honest that I'm coming from X, is it correct, or Y?
Y.
Because I come from Y generation, and especially I think it's not so common things for a mother like me. I think I prefer to ask you, Achang, because
Yeah.
you are coming from the Z generation. So
Yeah.
can you explain me what does it mean, Gen Z? Let's make it simple, Gen Z.
Okay, so actually Gen Z it means if you born in the 1995 until 2010. Yeah, it is, you can say Gen Z, right? And why we create this title? Because it is the time for Gen Z itself to make a good future to make country will be better than before, right? Because as we know that Gen Z already like we can how to say kental about the technology, right? That is why
Similar.
similar, right? And that is why we do believe the Gen Z also it is the how to say tonggak to how this country will be developed later on, right? And I think as a Gen Z also, I'm really if I have opportunity, I wanna back in the past because we know that the technology rarely,
Yeah.
and yeah, you can spend my time with my friend. But I also actually in all of the generation have a disadvantage and advantage, right? And right now I also grateful because technology exists. I can like communicate even if like we communicate in via online like Zoom, WhatsApp or something like that. It is the advantage from the generation right now.
Yeah.
And yeah, it is very good for me because that is why I this is my purpose right now to learn about the technology Kak, as a Gen Z.
So what I mean, I need to know the implicit of your statement that you want to turn back the time to the long time ago. It means that you feel ungrateful that you were born as a Z generation, while you. I mean, if I have to be honest, that as a generation, I'm so grateful for you guys because you are lucky. You born in a era digital and high technology. So what kind of the difficult things and the hardest things that you cannot get the point in this era, while in my era it was so hardest to take the technology and digital or something like that. You know that in my era I was so exhausted when I want to touch the internet. I have to go to the store for internet to the rent internet. Then I have to pay for money and exactly about that. And I have to how to say like waiting for the moment or only one in a week to go to the let's call it warnet, and it was so hardest and bothering actually. It's not as easy as nowadays like your era because you just need a data and then a cell phone or a gadget and your lappy or laptop, then everything is going easy. I mean, why did you want to turn back the time?
Yes, to be honest, even if like I'm really exhausted, right? But I feel happy. And this is the happiness for me because I can spend a lot of time for my friends, like going to farmer, like how to say sungai. Rivers, right? Yeah. It is the happiness for me because right now, as we know that we just stay now in our home because I really like about the traveling. Traveling make me happy, right? Like going to mountain.
Okay.
But right now it's totally hard because my friend also prefer to stay in their home, right? Play game, and this is the useless thing because I will not gain a lot of experience. It's different if we going somewhere, even if like it will make me exhausted. But this is the happiness for me. Actually.
This advantage, that's one of the obstacle that being of Z generation. Okay, thank you, Achang. I will move to Rian, please.
Okay.
Because you come like me, from Y generation,
Y.
How do you feel about being a Y generation, and how do you see about the Z generation for right now?
In my generation, in Gen Y, there is no internet, there is no cell phone. It's really hard to communicate to our friend, our family, and also we cannot in how to say berhubungan dengan keluarga.
Connecting.
Connect to our family. And I really how to say iri.
Jealous.
I really jealous with Generation Z right now because yeah, there are there are internet and yeah, it's really easy to communicate uh, to their family,
Yeah.
to their friend. If there is how to say, there is a meeting,
By all, you're just
yeah,
doing by
we
by
just
Zoom.
by
Internet.
Zoom, and we just talk in WA in the
Yeah,
group.
yeah, actually.
Yeah. In my generation, if we want to meet each other, we have to just like have an appointment before.
Oh, yeah.
And
I can feel it.
and yeah, you know, uh, uh, if we just uh, have an appointment, but there is no people come.
Oh, so sad.
So sad. And there is no internet, so we don't have how to say. We just how to say, come back home without meet meet someone.
Someone, a
Yes.
special someone? No,
Yes.
no. Oh, okay, nice.
Especially that.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, Rian.
Yes.
Nice experience.